49-year-old man on the run from the law. On September 28, 2021, in Anoka County, Minnesota, the police department was in pursuit of a fugitive wanted on a sexual violation charge. A warrant was put out on him for missing his court date. He sped off in his vehicle earlier during a traffic stop, leading to the pursuit. An officer located the vehicle and engaged in pursuit. While trying to escape from the police, the suspect vehicle had a minor collision with a civilian vehicle. He kept on driving despite his vehicle sustaining damages.
121st now, 1830. 4 David 12, missed the 6. 4 David 12, missed the 6, 1830. We're good. Fixed at 100. Yeah, beginning 6 at 105th, 1831. And assist to another agency. 1765.
David, 14, he just hit a car. Grazed a car on 65 at 117th, southbound.
Shortly after, another officer caught up to the pursuit. In a bid to escape the police, the suspect started to drive recklessly. The officers deployed spike strips and were able to hit the suspect vehicle.
Passing 113th, coming up to 109th, I'm going to back off. There's a lot of traffic.
1831. Passing 109th. Stacking up, phone call, assault report. We see him coming up here, he's coming.
Right lane.
Two lights, 24. 1832. 6 were successful. 6 were successful.
David 14 southbound. Sticks were a good hit.
1833.
The officers performed a precision immobilization technique, or PIT maneuver. However, the suspect was able to drive off before other officers could box him in. The officers tried multiple times to stop the vehicle.
Is he waiting in a vehicle or in the store?
Go, go, go.
1833.
Damn it. No. He's in the ditch. Go, go, go.
1833.
Damn it. No. He's in the ditch. Multiple unsuccessful hits.
The suspect then started to drive in a ditch alongside the road. Eventually, the vehicle came to a stop. Multiple cruisers quickly surround the vehicle. The officers then immediately exited the vehicle with their firearms drawn.
43, southbound in the median. He has no tires left, still driving up. Southbound in the median, no tires, still driving.
vehicle suddenly drove off, and the pursuit continued. After a short distance, the vehicle was stopped. Officers quickly boxed the vehicle and approached the driver's side with their firearms drawn. They also noticed a knife in the possession of the suspect. An officer deployed his taser.
Guys, keep your cover. Only no.
Trying to get southbound in northbound lane. 3017, copy, trying to get southbound in northbound lane in 1035. 3017, trying to get southbound in northbound lane.
Hell no! Fast fire! Fuck that! There you go! Fuck that! Stop! Hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! He's got a knife! 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 Stop it! Knife! Knife! He's got a knife! He's got a knife!
Other officers also utilized their tasers. The officers were finally able to pull the man out of the vehicle. He was then immediately handcuffed. He suddenly started screaming, "They are killing me." A medical team then checked him for any injuries. The suspect was on 15-year probation for a crime he committed in 2006. He had 2 months of probation left before the warrant was put out on him.
I got it! Let's get away from the door! Watch his head! You got something to down here? Kill
He was charged with the use of a dangerous weapon and with fleeing a peace officer in a motor vehicle. However, he was acquitted of both of the charges due to mental illness. His previous probation was also marked as complete. According to court records, he is currently committed at a facility listed as Commissioner of Human Services for an indeterminate term.